Hi everyone, my name is Thương. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about my flight to America. In previous video, I mentioned that I was moving to Michigan to be with my husband, Cruz. I had a long flight, and it was the longest flight I have ever taken. The flight time was only about 16 hours, but the check-in, waiting time, and transfer time made my flight take about 20 hours. I was transiting in Incheon Airport, Korea. Do you know, Incheon Airport is very big, and I got lost. After asking many people, I got to the gate of the plane to Detroit, Michigan. Next was the flight of more than 12 hours. During those 12 hours, I could only eat, drink, and watch movies. I couldn't sleep because my knees were in pain. Thank you for supporting my channel. Recently, my channel had changed its video content. I will continue the channel with videos about my daily life, our traveling. I hope you will like the change and continue to support me. Thank you so much. After watching 4 movies and playing all the games, I finally arrived. Except for the lack of sleep, I felt fine. I wasn't as tired as people say. Long flights will make you tired, but I'm okay. Cruz picked me up at the airport and he showed me around the city. Let's watch some video about the city I will be living in. I feel very lucky. The weather is not too cold yet. I have a few weeks to adjust to everything before winter comes. I was surprised by the supermarkets in America. They are so big, and show so many delicious fruits. Look, there are so many cakes. They look so delicious. I tried pizza and chicken bake at Costco. It's very delicious and cheap. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!